From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat's going to be on this week as a ridge of high pressure expands across the region. That's going to dry us out and heat us up and allow for north wind. So temperatures mid-90s, maybe even upper 90s later this week, getting very close to record territory. Meanwhile, tropics staying busy. We have Fiona here down across the Caribbean, finally moving away from the Dominican Republic, but still some locally heavy rainfall ongoing in the vicinity. Still flood warnings going, but looks like the rain's beginning to abate, and hopefully this rain band stays away. Still some pretty heavy rains across portions and some wind across portions of the Dominican Republic, although can't see radar that far to the west. We're working out of the San Juan radar here for this precipitation back to the west, but nonetheless, Fiona moving away from those areas, but we'll talk a little bit more about that system in just a bit. While on the track of radar, we're talking about a few scattered showers down by Marsh Island. Moving away, we did have a few isolated showers early this evening, but things will be quieting down, and we don't see rain chances much higher than 5% over the next several days, with generally fair skies and lots of sunshine and those hot temperatures. But you can never rule out an isolated storm, even on a 5% rain chance day around here. Now, the tropics still busy. The system out in the North Atlantic looks to get a little bit of a better boost here, a medium chance of developing, and then we have that system that's down here. This is the one that's going to concern us in the mid-tropical Atlantic. As it gets closer to the Caribbean, it'll have an opportunity to develop. We were 20% earlier today, now 30%, so that's still a low chance, but models pick up on this system. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Then we have Fiona here getting slowly away from the Dominican Republic, still producing some locally heavy rain bands in the vicinity of Puerto Rico and also the eastern portions of the Dominican Republic. Turks and Caicos being impacted. Bermuda's going to keep an eye on this system. It's going to go to Cat 4 more than likely, 140 mile per hour winds per the Hurricane Center, and then could eventually impact the Canadian Maritimes down the line later this week or into the weekend. So here's the Euro model picking up on Fiona. You can see that expanding wind field as well. This is the disturbance we're going to keep an eye on because models insist on developing it, not only the Euro, but the GFS as well, with the Euro bringing the system through the Northwest Caribbean. I shouldn't show you through 10 days, but this is the 10-day forecast. Comes that tropical system again by Tuesday, about a week down the road, Northwest Caribbean, and then perhaps the Gulf of Mexico. So we could certainly see a hurricane threatening the Gulf as we round out the end of the month or begin October. So we'll keep an eye on that. So some clouds first thing in the morning, but a mostly sunny day tomorrow. Temperatures topping out like today, near 94 degrees, and we do it all over again on Wednesday, and the model's going even hotter, 96 or 97 for a high. Again, slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunder shower, but no higher than 5 or 10% in the days ahead. So 73 overnight tonight, quiet night, fair skies out there, and then for tomorrow up to 94, perhaps 95 degrees with a light north to northeast wind and a lot of sunshine, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds. That's going to be about it. So full summer heat with us, another week of endless summer, and then here we go. We have a cool front coming in along about sometime on Monday, maybe a few showers Sunday into Monday, and then thereafter we'll see temperatures dipping down into the 80s for highs and overnight lows getting back down into the low to mid 60s, at least for a few days. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that, but we could be watching something in the Gulf of Mexico at that time as well. That's it for weather. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.